let's try to optimize our code by using some loop from the SASS here. And we're just going to try and start with the for loop that we already tried up here and see if we can make this work. So we're going to use the I again. We're going to start from, it's just from 1 through 4. Oops, and then do it correctly. Yes, great, great. And then I'm just gonna basically steal this one, right? So we kind of want to do, well, we kind of want to do most of this. So let's just steal this and put this in our for loop. So the bar 1. But instead of it having to be 4 of bar 1s, we're going to use the hashtag, curly brackets, and $i. So for each time it goes through, it's going to create, so I can just remove these, right? So let's try and see what that does to our code or our page, right? So let's just go through it. I just created this like I did up here with this one, and I just switch out the name it's going to create. So what that actually creates in my code is this. So if we go down to my CSS, you can see it created a bar with where we go here, we just take the first one, switch, bar 1 hover, and it goes transform. Switch bar hover with the .lcss, the class inside, for color. So let's see what this does to our actual page. So, oh no, everything is red. So because we're using a for loop that we're doing right now, here, we are actually telling it for each time it goes through, it's just using a color. So how do I make it change color? I'm not sure it's possible with a for loop. I didn't figure it out, so I used another loop that we're going to be looking into along with what we call a SASS map. But this, maybe it works, maybe somebody can figure it out, and if any of you figure it out, please show it to me. But I just said, no, I'm going to try something else instead. I'm going to make it in another way. So I'm going to use SASS maps, and I'm going to use the each loop instead. Similar to a for loop, but we can do a little bit more, or a little bit different with it. And that's what we're going to be using, and that's what I'm going to be showing in the next video.